I'm Sarah. I was just sent this 10-piece stencil kit. This thing is really neat. It's got 10 different animals on these stencils, and they each come with a little bit of paper on them to keep the little stencil in there, but they have different colors on all of the different things. And if you put them up against the light, then your colors show through really nice. So if you put our little purple elephant on here, that color shows through really nice. So if you had a nice light board, that would show those colories through. And then it just kind of adds, a little fun for the kids to be able to use their stencils. So I've got my son here, and we are going to work on a stenciling product. Do you want to do the elephant? Yes. Okay. So you can put the camel down on the actual light board and then lay this over it, and then you can also trace it this way. And you can then see your lighting colors through there. So this is a neat little stencil kit. Because of the coloring, it makes it easier for the kids to be able to see and trace their items.